Hey there, my homies. Welcome back to Conversational English, where we learn English with the side of GTA San Andreas. Today, we're diving into getting dressed and grooming, but with CJ's streetwise twist. We'll take all the phrases, adapt them to sound like something from the game, and then teach you the standard English. Let's get started. First up, I'm moving to my room, time to gear up. In standard English, this means I'm walking to my bedroom, time to get ready. Moving is casual for moving, and gear up means preparing, like getting your clothes on. It's like CJ getting ready for a mission. Here, moving is the informal version of moving, dropping the G at the end, common in speech. Gear up is slang for getting ready, often used in action context. Now, let's practice saying the phrase. Repeat after me. I'm moving to my bedroom, time to gear up. Great. Now say the standard version. I'm walking to my bedroom, time to get ready. Next, I'm popping open my closet, checking my fits. That's I'm opening my wardrobe, checking my outfits in standard English. Popping open is a quick way to say opening, and fits means outfits, like what you wear. Popping open is a casual, emphasizing speed, and fits is slang for outfits, popular in hip-hop culture. In the game, CJ might check his closet for the right look. Repeat after me. I'm popping open my closet, checking my fits. Now, the standard version. I'm opening my wardrobe, checking my outfits. Then, I'm picking my outfit, gotta look fly homie. In standard English, it's I'm choosing my clothes, I need to look good friend. Picking is picking, fly means cool, and homie is friend. Picking is informal for picking, and fly means looking attractive, a term from the 90s. Homie is short for homeboy, meaning a close friend. Common in the game's dialogue. Say, I'm picking my outfit, gotta look fly homie. Great. Now say, I'm choosing my clothes, I need to look good friend. Remember to practice these and try using them in conversations. If you've got questions or want to share your own GTA phrases, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more lessons from Conversational English. We've got plenty more where this came from. Next phrase is, I'm sleeping on my shirt, keeping it tight. That's I'm putting on my shirt, making sure it looks good in standard. Sleeping on is putting on casually, and keeping it tight means looking cool. Sleeping on is a casual way to say putting on, and keeping it tight means looking good or well fitted, fitting CJ's style. Say, I'm sleeping on my shirt, keeping it tight. Now say, I'm putting on my shirt, making sure it looks good. I'm putting on my shirt, making sure it looks good. Then we've got, I'm fixing my hair, gotta stay sharp, man. In standard, it's I'm combing my hair, I need to look my best, man. Fixing is arranging, and stay sharp means looking good. Fixing is informal for fixing or arranging, and stay sharp means to look alert or good. Common in the game's dialogue. Say, I'm fixing my hair, gotta stay sharp, man. Now try, I'm combing my hair, I need to look my best, man. Lastly, I'm scoping out the window, keeping it real. That's I'm looking out the window, staying true to myself in standard. Scoping out is checking, and keeping it real means being genuine. Scoping out means looking or observing, and keeping it real is about being authentic, a phrase from hip-hop culture in the game. Say, I'm scoping out the window, keeping it real. Cool. Now say, I'm looking at the window, staying true to myself. That's a wrap for today, homies. Keep practicing your English, stay safe out there, and remember to keep it real like CJ. Peace out.